Good morning, student. About the chemical properties of the alkane, I had already explained about halogenation or substitution reaction. Now see that what happens when methane or ethane, both are alkane, react with sufficient supply of oxygen, means excess oxygen. Second, methane plus oxygen, limited oxygen, limited methane plus oxygen when passes through copper tube, temperature near about 200 degrees Celsius, methane plus oxygen in presence of molybdenum oxide, temperature 350 to 350, maybe 300 to 350 degrees Celsius. What will happen when oxygen will be excess? In this condition, it forms carbon dioxide and water vapor. Sufficient supply of oxygen. Now you balance the equation. See, 2, 2, 4, 4, 2, 6 means divided no need up to only 2. Now 3 oxygen. When limited supply of oxygen, then it's formed carbon monoxide and water vapor. Carbon monoxide and water vapor. Now you balance the equation. 2, 2, 4, 4 to 6, 4 to 6, 2 to 4. Yeah, I have written here 2. 2 to 4. 4. Now here 3. Now this reaction are very important. When it passes through copper tube, oxygen, then it forms ethyl alcohol, ethanol. Now balance the equation 2. It's formed ethanol, means from methane to methanol in presence of copper, temperature 200 degrees Celsius. When methane react with oxygen, molybdenum in presence of molybdenum oxide, temperature 300 to 350 degrees Celsius, it's formed it's formed methanol. Methanol means HCHO, methyl aldehyde. This is methanol. It's formed. See that when excess oxygen is formed carbon dioxide and water vapor, limited supply of oxygen, carbon monoxide, in presence of copper tube, then it's formed alcohol, means methanol, and presence of molybdenum oxide, it's formed methyl aldehyde. Similarly, ethane, carbon dioxide, ethane, carbon monoxide, ethanol is C2H5OH is formed. Here form ethanol CH3 CHO. Same reaction like methane and ethane. Next reaction that is very important reaction when this reaction is called oxidation reaction. When methane react with nascent oxygen in presence of potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7, it's formed methanol, methyl alcohol. Again oxidation in nascent oxygen, potassium dichromate, then it's formed methanol, methyl aldehyde HCHO. Again, oxidation with oxygen, potassium dichromate, O7 dichromate, then it's formed methanoic acid, HClOH, methanoic acid. Question is that this reaction is very important reaction. How do you prepare methanoic acid from methane? Methanoic acid from methanol, methanoic acid from methanol. Or how do you prepare methanoic acid from methanol, methylaldehyde, or methanol from methyl alcohol? Means this reaction itself contains 4 or 5 reactions. Similarly, when ethane, oxidation of ethane, then it's formed K2Cr2O7, then it's formed ethanol, C2H5OH. Again oxidation, presence of same potassium dichromate, it's formed ethanol, ethylaldehyde, ethanol. Again oxygen, same reaction, it's formed ethanoic acid, ethanoic acid or acetic acid. Means how do you prepare ethanoic acid from ethanol, ethanoic acid from ethanol? Okay, this reaction are very important reaction. Now pyrolysis or cracking. What is pyrolysis and or cracking? See that when methane heated up to temperature 1500 degree Celsius or 500 degree Celsius, presence of catalyst aluminium oxide or alumina, then it's formed CH ethyne and 3H2. This is called cracking or pyrolysis. Preparation of ethyne from methane. Ethyne from methane. Similarly, when ethane means C2H6, ethane is heated up to temperature 1500 degree Celsius or 500 degree Celsius, presence of catalyst alumina. Then it's formed ethene and hydrogen. Means we can easily prepare ethyne from methane, ethene from ethane by pyrolysis or cracking. Now after all asking question is that write some uses of alkane. So you know all the chemical properties. Ethane means alkane are used for preparation of chemical properties like chloromethane, chloroethane, dichloromethane, dichloroethane, trichloromethane or chloroform. It is also used for preparation of methanoic acid, ethanoic acid, methanol, ethanol, methanol, ethanol. Like that you will write the uses of this compound. Now next compound is alkene and alkyne. Alkene and alkyne. In alkene and alkyne, general formula CnH2n. This general formula CnH2n minus 2. Alkene are generally known as olefin. It's prepared from the iron, so it is called olefin. The first member of this group is C2H4 or CH2 double bond CH2. Here first member is C2H2 or CH triple bond CH. Ethyne. How do you prepare ethene in the laboratory? Okay, ethene first. Means preparation of C2H4 from in laboratory. In laboratory method given. when ethyl alcohol react in presence of sulfuric acid, means ethyl alcohol C2H5OH, temperature 170 degree, presence of sulfuric acid, its form CH2 double bond CH2, means C2H4 and water. Actually, this reaction taking place in two stages. What are the steps? See that C2H5OH react with sulfuric acid, temperature 140 to 150 degrees Celsius, its form C2H5HSO4, ethyl hydrogen sulfate and water. This again ethyl hydrogen sulfate C2H5HSO4 react with the temperature 160 to 170 degrees Celsius. Its form ethene C2H4 plus sulfuric acid as a product as a reactant. This two-step reaction actually take place. I see that and catalyst is an external substance which only change the rate of reaction but never take part in a chemical reaction. This is a lab preparation of that. Now lab preparation of alkyne. Alkyne is C2H2. You know calcium carbide react with the water, its form C2H2 ethyl and calcium hydroxide. Here too. Actually, this reaction is possible like that. Calcium 1 electron with carbon 4 along with water 2H2O, its form CH triple bond CH and water, calcium hydroxide. This is a lab preparation of ethine. How would you prepare ethine from carbide? Calcium carbide or carbide. This is a lab method. Now general method about when ethyl bromide react with potassium hydroxide alcoholic solution of potassium hydroxide, when it's boiled, its form C2H4 potassium bromide and water. This is general method. How would you prepare alkene from alkyl bromide or bromide chloride iodide? Okay. Similarly, when CH2Br 1,2-dibromoethane boiled with potassium hydroxide boiled, then its form ethyl CH triple bond CH, potassium bromide and water. Potassium bromide and water its form. This is general method of preparation. Next method by pyrolysis. Just I have explained. In pyrolysis, when alkane means ethane heated up to temperature 1500 degrees Celsius, ethane 1500 R, 500 presence of a minimum oxide, then it's give ethene, CH2 double bond CH2 and H2 hydrogen. Whereas when methane heated up to temperature 1500 degrees Celsius, it gives CH triple bond CH and 3H2. Means one method is laboratory, other is general method. Now this is method is pyrolysis. After that only chemical properties of alkene and alkyne remain. I will revise it in my next video. So first you prepare all the reaction, practice it, write many times, remember the name. Otherwise you will be confused. You can't prepare this because only reaction are given. And together I will explain the chemical properties of alkene and alkyne. Thank you. Have a nice day.